Tommy Stop is visiting Mya Go's house to play together for the afternoon.
So what do you two have planned for the day?
We're going to have a panda tea party.
A panda tea party? That sounds like fun. Who's invited?
My favourite cuddly toy panda and Tommy's teddy, Mr. Paws.
Actually, Mya, I couldn't find Mr. Paws.
Oh no! Where is he?
I don't know. I looked everywhere at home, but I think he's gone missing.
Poor Mr. Paws. We'll have to find him.
If he isn't at home, Tommy, then you must have left him somewhere else. Let's look at this map of every day.
Where do you last remember having him, Tommy?
Oh, maybe I left him at the pier. My dad and I went to the pier yesterday and had ice creams.
Excellent. You're just like a detective, Mya.
Detective?
Yes, Sammy, a detective. It's someone who helps find things that are lost by being very clever and watching carefully for clues.
Can Doggy Go be my detective dog?
Of course, Mya. We can use his powerful nose for sniffing out clues.
Great. Okay, is everyone ready? Let's head for the pier and start being detectives.
Everyone has arrived at the pier. Ice cream lady Betty Cone is ready to deliver up some delicious ice creams.
Hello, Betty Cone. I don't suppose you saw Tommy's teddy, Mr. Paws, anywhere.
What did he look like?
He's brown, with the red jumper and scarf.
Oh, you mean like this scarf? I found it yesterday in front of the van. I was wondering whose it was because it's so small.
Yay!
Yes, that's his. It must have flown off in the wind.
Do you remember anything else that might help, Betty?
Well, I remember you had a football under your arm, Tommy. You were going to the park with your dada.
Yes, the park. Maybe he's there. Thanks, Betty Cone.
Off to the park we go. Mr. Paws must be here somewhere.
Okay, Tommy. Now, where did you go first when you came to the park?
We played some football over there.
Oh, look, it's Billy Wynn and Sophie Play.
Hi, Margot. Hi, Tommy Stop. Do you want to play football with us? Aw, sorry, Sophie. We can't. We're busy looking for Tommy's missing teddy, Mr. Paws. Have you seen him anywhere? I don't think so. Did you see Tommy's teddy anywhere, Billy?
No, 8, 9, 10.
Have you tried the playground?
Oh, that reminds me. I went to the playground yesterday after football to play on the rocking horses.
To the playground.
Detective Doggy Go loves the playground. Just like Mya Go and Tommy Stop.
Was it this horse, Tommy?
I'm not sure. I think it might have been this one.
Come on, guys. We're supposed to be looking for Mr. Paws.
What have you found, Doggy Go?
Looks like Doggy Go might have found something.
That's Mr. Paws' hat.
It must have fallen off him yesterday.
Yes, it was starting to rain, so we had to rush home all of a sudden.
So where were you when it started raining, Tommy?
At the top of the slide.
Maybe he's up there. Let's go up and have a look.
Do you see him, Tommy?
No.
Do you see him, Mya?
No, I can't see him anywhere. Tommy, keep looking. He has to be here somewhere. Yay! What's that?
It's a bit of thread from Mr. Paws' jumper. I remember he got caught on the slide when we went down it together yesterday.
Why don't you let Doggy Go smell the thread, Tommy? It'll give him Mr. Paws' scent, and then maybe he'll be able to find him.
Doggy Go has a very strong sense of smell. Oh, it looks like he's found something.
He's trying to get into your backpack, Tommy.
Really? I thought I looked in there already.
Hooray!
Oh, I remember now, because my dada put him in there when it started raining.
Excellent work, everyone. Especially you, Doggy Go. Here, have a treat. Good doggy.
Can we have a treat too, Dada?
I think it's treat time for all of us. Shall we go and give the good news to Betty Cone and have a few delicious ice creams while we're at it?
Yes, please.
Now, where are my car keys?